Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking to protect your mattress? I have a mattress protector for you. This is by GOPOONY, and it has checked all the boxes that I want in a good mattress protector. We have 3 kids, a dog, and as you know, if you have those things, accidents happen and your mattresses get ruined. This one is incredibly soft on the top, which is nice for sleeping. So no crinkly noises, no loudness. The bottom is this plasticky material, but it doesn't sound like plastic. I don't know how to describe what it is, but it is very, very waterproof. As you can see, I can dump a whole cup on this thing and my mattress and underneath the mattress protector is completely dry. The other thing I love about this is it is machine washable and you can throw it in the dryer with your sheets and it is thin enough that I can do it all in one load. If you're looking for a way to protect your mattress, get this mattress protector, put it on your bed, and don't worry about it anymore. But that's just my point of view.